Welcome to 79 Hillcrest Street here in Masterton. I'm Prue Hamill.
And I'm Kayla Watson.
And we can't wait to show you this much loved low maintenance home in a popular west side location. Great home, great location. We're delighted to be marketing this immaculate family home in a popular west side location. Low maintenance with a split stone exterior and aluminium windows. This home offers 3 double bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes and a walk-in wardrobe of a master bedroom. The bathroom has a bath and a separate shower. With large open-plan living, dining and the kitchen area, there is plenty of room for the family. All heated with a large heat pump. Perfectly positioned for morning sun. Imagine getting up, looking out to the lovely ranges. This kitchen is a pleasure to work in with all the bench space. Capturing all-day sun, the spacious outdoor area is fully fenced and well maintained with an anchored garden shed. This property is located within walking distance to Solway train station, approximately a 5-minute drive to town, and is close to schooling. Loved by the same family for 30 years, this is your opportunity to add your own flair and create new memories.
Now that you've had a sneak preview,
It's time to come and have a look for yourself. It's as simple as calling 0800 Prue Hamill. We can't wait to show you through.